Hello and welcome to How to Play Racco, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Racco. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 to 4 players. Each player is given a Racco tray. These trays have 10 card slots in them, with the slots labeled in multiples of 5 from 5 to 50. Depending on how many players are in the game, different amounts of cards will be used. With 4 players, all 60 cards are used. With 3 players, 50 cards are used. With 2 players, 40 cards are used. Each player is dealt 10 cards, 1 card at a time. Once a player gets a card, the card is placed in the 50 slot of their Racco tray. The second card dealt goes into the 45 slot of the Racco tray. This continues until the 10th card is dealt and placed in the 5 slot of the Racco tray. The remaining deck is placed into the middle and the top card is flipped up to start the discard pile. The object of each round is to be the first player to go Racco. Racco means a player has any combination of increasingly higher ranking cards from their 5 slot to their 50 slot. A player's lowest ranking card must be in their 5 slot, and their highest ranking card must be in their 50 slot. The player left of the dealer is first to play. On a turn, the player will draw the top card of the deck or the top card of the discard pile. If the top card of the discard pile is drawn, the player must exchange it for a card in their tray. The exchanged card from the tray goes into the discard pile. Play moves clockwise left, with players drawing and making card exchanges. Play moves to player 1, who will draw the top discard of 50. Player 1 will put the 50 into the last slot on the tray, as it is a relatively high-ranking card. Play returns to player 2, who will draw the top card of the deck. When the top card of the deck is drawn, the player can make an exchange or discard the card drawn. Play moves left to player 3, and players continue to draw cards and make exchanges as wanted. Skipping ahead to the end of a round, player 2 draws a 35 and is able to exchange it into their tray to get Racco. Player 2 wins the round by having all cards in their tray in increasing order. Player 2 scores 75 points, 5 points for each of the 10 cards in the tray, plus a bonus 25 points for winning the round. Other players will score 5 points for each card in their rack that is low to high, starting with the card in the 5 slot. Player 3 has 4 cards in order with the 8, 14, 16, and 28. The sequence is broken by the 20 card, and no other cards score points. Player 3 scores 20 points. Player 4 has 5 cards in order with the 9, 12, 21, 26, and 32. Player 4 scores 25 points. Player 1 has 6 cards in order with the 11, 18, 19, 25, 40, and 47. Player 1 scores 30 points. The first player to 500 points wins the game. If the drawing deck runs out, the discard pile is shuffled and becomes the new draw deck. That wraps up How to Play Racco. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.